Hello and welcome back. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to convert a regular screwdriver into a left-handed and metric or imperial screwdriver, and I'm going to show you how to use it the right way. Welcome back. Regular right-handed screwdriver, the metric screwdriver, the video is somewhere here. How to use it and how to use it properly and safely. Unfortunately, not everybody is right-handed. Some of you are left-handed, some of you have an imperial or metric cans only, so the screwdriver you've got is probably not going to work for everybody. But there's a fix. There's a conversion kit and I'm going to tell you all about it. Yes, I have been working with this company. They are called Made in China. It's a UK based company and they do quality, fantastic quality tools. And these guys, they've been in touch with me after my last video, and they sent me a great, amazing kit that you can convert any screwdriver, any old piece of shit screwdriver, to metric, imperial, left or right-handed tool. All four options, and they've been kind enough to send to me free of charge, so I can show you what it's all about. Let's have a look at it. So all you need a screwdriver. It doesn't matter whether left-handed or imperial one, it makes no difference, because we're gonna apply the conversion kit, and we can set it up and basically make anything we want from this little tool. Let's have a look how we do it. So the conversion kit comes in a little package like this, and it doesn't take long to install it. Let me take you through this. First you need to position your screwdriver in a vise, and then you need to apply the conversion kit. I use a mallet. Right, and that should do it. That was a bit of hard work, a little bit more difficult than I anticipated, but our screwdriver is done. And I'll show you how to use it. Let's set it up. So let's have a look at our subject over here. This is a Polish lager, very good European beer. And let's say, and I'm a right-handed guy, let's say I got my screwdriver formatted to be left-handed option. It just doesn't work, it slips out. That didn't work. Damn it. See, and the problem over here was, for those eagle eye who spotted that, I had my screwdriver converted to be left-handed and I was using that with a right hand. Well, that's never gonna work. Come on, let's face it. Let's do it properly. So, let's say I want to use the screwdriver in the left hand, right? It's normally formatted to right hand. I just need to set it to be left-handed driver. Off we go. And see guys, what happened here? I had a screwdriver formatted to be left hand and I still use it in the right hand. And this is the result. Very unclean and messy opening. Not good. So let's say I want to use the screwdriver, a right-handed screwdriver, in left hand. I need to format it and set it up so it's left-handed one, like this. Right, I'm gonna show you guys again how to set it up from right-handed to left-handed, because it was a bit tricky. I do it slowly. Ready? Like this. Yeah, hope you got it. So now I'm ready to operate my left-handed screwdriver with a left hand. Now, that was a bit messy from my end because I'm right-handed, and using the tool in the left hand, even though it's set up for be left hand, it's a little bit tricky for me. It's all good talking about it, but let's see whether that's actually working or not. I think it's working, but let me test it again. Yeah, I think it was a success. Let's do it again. This fantastic little conversion kit got so many uses. I mean, let's say you've got American pale ale, you don't want to be using metric screwdriver for it. You need to convert it to be imperial, otherwise it's just not gonna work. That fantastic new UK-based company called Made in China, they agreed to send me that conversion kit. We've been working together on it. We've been developing that system probably for a good 2 weeks. A lot of thought and engineering went to that. All I needed to pay is a shipping charge, which I was very happy to cover. Yes guys, I've got extra kits. You can get your own. You can get your own conversion kit for your regular screwdriver. Anything you want, any setup you want, it's all here. Very easy to use, very easy to install. Conversion kits are free of charge. All you need to pay to my PayPal address, which is over here, is the shipping charge of $7.50 and $3.50 postage. Other than that, there's no charge whatsoever. They're absolutely free of charge. Here's my PayPal address. Give me your money. It's $7.50 postage and $3.50 shipping, and this free of charge conversion kit will come your way. There's a discount code over here, Be Quick or Be Gone. Apply this discount code for a 10% discount. Other than that, again, PayPal address, $7.50 shipping and $3.50 postage on top of it, and that free of charge amazing conversion kit for any screwdriver will be coming your way very shortly. Once again guys, give me your money to this PayPal address, $7.50 postage, $3.50 shipping charge, and free of charge this will be coming your way. Not the screwdriver, just the conversion kit. I know there are other conversion kits out there and from different companies, but this is the good one because I say so.